Hello everyone. This is a small project with Qt that is basically a wrapper for an IP address widget. So this is a widget that I didn't find in the Qt library, and I thought that would be a good idea to make one because this is a pretty common feature that you find in many applications. Back in the day of Windows, there was an API called MFC, and it still exists today. They were providing a widget, basically a control called C IP address control. And this was exactly the same IP address control that you find in your network adapter. So it had four fields for numbers, and those fields, they had to be constrained by a range of 0 to 255. And I thought it would be a good idea to have something like that with Qt. So this class that I call QIP address widget is basically the widget itself, and this widget will be presented on a QMain window. So this is the pointer to it. We can add it to the layout, and we can also add a couple of buttons, basically to do a set and a get. The set will be calling this handler that will assign an IP address in the form of a string. And the getter is going to be reading back the information and displaying it in the message box. So let me run it and show you how it works. So the widget is basically just the white rectangle that you see here. The two buttons are external. They don't belong to the widget. They belong to the form. So for instance, if I start typing 1 multiple times, you can see that it's automatically tabbing to the next field when it's full. I can also tabulate between and shift tab. If I start typing, let's say 5 and then 5 and then 5, it doesn't allow me, which it makes sense because you don't have something that is a number that is 555. Okay, so let's try with this address to do a get. So basically, if I do a get, we would see the API will basically return the content of this IP address, and this is the result. So it matches. And also now, if I press set, I would apply this IP address to the widget itself. So it's just hard coded for testing. Okay, and I get again, and I get this one. So basically, two very simple functions, set and get, for this widget that had some checking on range of numbers and to make sure that this is a valid IP address. So that's pretty much all. Very simple widget, and I would say it's very useful. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.